starting soon. There we go. I'm live now. I'm a little stupid.
Whoa.
Why are my stream avatars not showing up? There we go.
I'm a little stupid, he says.
I am a little stupid.
Just tell us something we don't know, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Sup, gang? Sup, sup? Sorry, give me just a moment. I gotta push some things up, and then we'll be good to go. Which means that you'll likely need to pull changes.
What if I don't want to pull my changes?
Okay. I mean, that's fine, I guess. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Changes should be up now. So I'm going to go ahead and pull changes as well. Code dots. Alright, I can actually put this back on my monitor now. Dante's 9. Fetch. Here's hoping there's no weird merges or anything with my current changes. Why is it not? Did it pull them? Oh, I guess it did. Cool. Wah, 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 wah. What you doing? I see you're over there staring at GitHub.
I'm opening Godot.
Whoa, he's opening it. Godoli. Alright, so... Are you looking at my screen? Do you have my screen?
What?
Oh,
Yeah.
You do? Yes. Okay. So, the first thing that I did was something that you have been bitching about for a long time.
No, I haven't.
Okay. What do you think it would be?
Hit scan size.
There you go.
Oh yeah, the other.
There you go, man.
Oh, very tough.
That's a lot of Jupiter stickers, but
Well, they might want to have it increase more, but yeah.
yeah. So here's one Jupiter sticker, 2 Jupiter stickers, and so on.
Yeah.
And if you add bounce to it, it works. It's cool. It's
Very
hitting
cool.
shit. It also affects the actual hitbox. So you can see it actually like affects what it can hit based on how big the laser is. It gets a little weird, but it works. It's cool. And the other thing I did was not for you in the slightest, and that's okay. Which is in the debug menu. If I wanted to add a card, I have these binds where I can press like A, which is the top one, and then B, and then C, and whatever. But like, I can't see what they are. If I'm holding Shift, it'll tell me what they are, which is
That's
fucking sick.
a little bit evil.
And I can also, while I'm holding Shift, I can press the letter and it'll tell me what the text of the button is, which is pretty sick and cool. But anyways, I also, there's a super small thing, which is whenever you redeal the deck, or redeal the hand while you're in the debug menu, it would spawn a bunch of the rigid bodies here, and they would render in front of what your current hand is. So you'd have to open the menu, redeal, close the menu, check what it is, open, redeal, and so on. I just made it so if you're doing it from the debug menu, it just completely clears the visuals rather than like putting them on their like path of like rigid bodies and shit. So let me see if Let's see if this knows about your stream now. It does. Hooray! Yippee! I also need to fix this program at some point. I think that's mostly it, actually. It was a lot of weird shit getting that to work, but it is kind of sick.
Okay.
Was there anything else that I did? Oh, yes. There was a bug that is very difficult to explain because you actually... It's been in the game for a while, and we just didn't know about it. So if I were to give myself an op... so this is the box that's used whenever the op like damages something.
Mm-hmm.
So if I turn on collision, if it overlaps, it does damage. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see. There was a problem which... Oops. Which you can see here. When the op flips, it no longer matches the visual. So this would actually cause the tracer to go through things.
Oh, interesting. Yeah.
But the box is actually still flipped. And I just fixed that by optionally having a thing that's parented to. And so this actually matches the flip, which is very nice. Very cool, very nice. Let's see, were there other small things? There's a bunch of debug menu stuff, but there should be slightly less crashes now when using the spawn menu, by the way, because if I can't think of anything that would do it, but if you were to, do we have any scenes that are just like a not canvas item as the root node? It's like card binder might be. No. I can't think of any off the top of my head. Let me see. Player stats. We'll see if this crashes. Hopefully it doesn't. Yeah, cool. So ignore that. That's a different debug thing. But basically what I did was if the scene that gets spawned isn't a canvas item, it will not try to like place it in the level.
I see.
So it does some weird stuff, but it doesn't crash. It just does weird shit. Oh my god, where the fuck was the spawn? No, enemy placement menu. You just need to do spawn.key3. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, I might... Oh no, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Trying to think if there's anything else. I think the answer is basically no, but I got the size for the laser and the op works in a way that isn't terrible. Yeah, I think that's about it.
Any status effect
So,
stuff?
hooray. Huh?
Any status effect stuff?
No, not on that one.
Arr.
Oh my god, dude. Look at this, look at this. I was like, oh, I did this
I
thing
know,
that
I'm
you've been asking for
joking,
like
it's
2 months, and
cool.
immediately it's like, ah, you didn't do this other thing. I'm upset. Evil.
You should make Dante turn into a giant bouncy ball.
You, I think, need to be euthanized, in my opinion. Oh, actually, let me put together. Speaking of you being euthanized, I'm just
Me?
kidding.
What?
Yeah, I do want to make a thing today. Make a copy. Today is the 21st, May 23rd. I'm just gonna bring out this list from the last stream. So size on hit scan works. Hit scan enemy attack is not. I need to add that. Do you want me to just like replace the attack the flying guy has?
Yeah, I mean, you can
Fine.
just do it like temporarily, yeah, then I can swap it out, yeah.
Wait. Say that again. Temporarily?
Mm-hmm.
Temporarily? Something like that. I don't know. Deck menu and hub. Deck menu and hub. What does that mean? Deck menu in hub. I think that was the counter thing that you were talking about.
What?
That was like the ticket booth counter guy, like over here somewhere, I think.
Yeah, like being able to pick a deck, something.
Hmm.
Not
Hi,
like
Callie. I really don't
not
want you
like
up
the
here right
card deck.
now. Not like the card deck. Oh, like the starting deck. Is that what you're talking about?
No,
Okay.
like Balatro decks.
Let's see. No, Callie. I'm sorry. I love you, but no. You slept on me for like 2 hours today. Is that not enough? Okay, so let me also, I'm gonna do a quick one because I want quick dopamine. So I'm gonna go to the fire area.gd because I want to make it so that the player doesn't it doesn't do the thing where the player stacks fire like twice as fast if there's 2 fires. So the way I think I want to do that is something like I think for the fire effect, I could have something like is constant or something. Maybe.
Okay. What is on my to-do list? Let's see.
Really continuous, probably. Yeah, I can do that. I also think one thing that could be really nice for the game at some point is to. I know we have this really big to-do board. Right here. I don't remember exactly how I wanted to do it, but like take people's feedback and everything and then split them into specific like files rather than just like here's the feedback from like here's our feedback thing. Is it to do? I put something into do, I think. Yeah.
Maybe I pretty much like only use this now because it's all in one place. It's nice to have everything in one place.
So oh no, I don't know how I want to do this now actually. Does the
And you saw the thing I sent you about we should play some Dungreed or the other game some more.
Zephyro.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Because they have like a ton of just like damage types and like attributes and things like that that all like stack on top of each other and do crazy stuff. And it's very cool.
Yeah. Do you own both of those games?
I own Dungreed. I only have the demo for Zephyro. I'll probably just buy the full game because it's very good. And I think it has multiplayer too, so we could play it together.
Gotcha.
I know Nasitos likes it as well.
Oh, I know what I can do. I know exactly what I can do. I can make a function here called add effect source. Yeah. I think that works because I want to do. I want to do a thing where we're using like the source type of application so that I can list all of the places the player's currently getting affected by fire, and then we can just see, is there something that's applying fire? If so, do it. So we can have both like single instances of apply fire to this thing, excuse me, or also like this thing is just getting put on fire over time. So the way that I want to do that is, I'll put a different song on this. Rivals the way their song is pissing me off. Yeah, sure. I don't remember exactly. I think the player gets the fire applied to them, and then I'm able to grab the handler via the effect class, I think. Let's find out. Spawn fire area. Oh, I removed the amount. Oopsies. Do you have a list of the 2 things that you have, or do you want help making a list?
No, I'm good. I'm just looking.
Okay.
I want to make the bell item. I just need to find some reference images real quick.
Okay, so this is via the fire effect class. So what I can do is if I do add effect source, this gets the current handler, this does apply effect, which is great and fine and dandy.
That is great and fine and dandy.
It's great, fine, dandy, amazing, terrific.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to the fire handler. Do I want this to be something that all effects have, I wonder? I'm thinking the answer is probably not, but maybe. I'll just, I'll add it to the base effect for now, and then we'll see if it gets used again. And if it doesn't, I can just move it into a different class. We'll see. Oh, shit. I just thought about something.
You just thought about something. Uh-oh, that's a little scary.
What the fuck would this be called? Hello. Hi. How's it going? Sorry, I'm very much in my mind right now.
In my
When
line.
you red lines, I'll fix it. There we go. Those are scripts that are not active in the project. They haven't been deleted file wise. So every now and then Godot's like, oh shit, I found new scripts, time to compile them, and it's like, uh-oh. These scripts are angry. Like those scripts are never being used again. We should definitely just remove them at some point, but that would require like, I don't know, cleaning things up, and that's a little
Yeah,
gross.
that's a little yucky. We don't like doing that.
Coid. Instead of void, it's called coid now. Sorry, nothing you can do about it.
What?
Player fire handler. Do you do anything in physics? You do. All super. All super now. Enemy fire handler. You also call physics, right? Call super now. Okay, and now inside of the effect handler, I can say that effect handler dot is active, add source effect dot source true. And then that might be it. Does this use does this register the source? It does. It's sick. Yeah. I guess we'll find out. This might work first try. It might crash instantly. Guess what? It crashed instantly. Life goes on.
Wonderful. That's okay.
Yeah, it's fine, I guess. Oh, you know what? It's gonna keep crashing. Actually, I think. But also, I need to get rid of this code. Also, I don't know why my desk is popping so much today. I have no clue what's going on with that. Weird.
Explode.
Also, hello, Callie. What's up? What do you want? What's up, creature?
Creature.
La criatura.
That means the creature.
Mm-hmm. And it's la because creatura ends in an A, which means that it is a feminine word, which means that it uses la instead of L in Spanish. Yup.
Oh, you're like really smart.
Thanks. You know what I can do? I can say...
Nerdlytic, yeah, so true. By the way, I suck at drawing.
Whoa. What the fuck do you mean? Dude, I look over and this motherfucker has like a bell.
Yeah, but it looks bad and wrong.
No? The only thing that's a little weird about it right now that I feel like is it looks like there's like something sticking out on the left. Like instead of it being fully round, it looks like the thing on the left has like a not smooth part on it. I don't know how to describe it.
This here or down here?
Like the bottom left arc of the circle, how it goes around.
This here.
Because you got like a light thing, it looks like something like sticks out. But I don't
Yeah.
know. I'll let you do it. You got this.
Yeah.
Hi, Callie. Stop looking up at me. You look like you want to jump in my lap, and I really don't want that right now. Cats are all
Yeah,
about
that's pretty
consent
good.
until it comes to like them
Should I
being
give?
told no.
Should the
and they're
bell
like,
have cat
no.
ears or no?
Yeah, of course. I hope you know now that you've said that there needs to be a mode where every relic just has cat ears on it, like a secret mode.
That means I'd have to draw every single one of these relics with cat ears.
Okay. When the fuck did you draw the fucking trans shark?
It's been there for like forever.
What the fuck?
Somebody suggested it as an item, and I was like, sure. I don't know what it'll do, but we'll add
Mhm. It gives you a dash in a direction.
it. Wait. You might be cooking.
That might be the move, actually.
I'd have to figure out how to do that. Or maybe we add a dash, and then we just have it give you an extra dash. I thought about adding a dash. It is honestly not an awful idea, unfortunately.
It's not, but if we want to add it, we can add it. That's a big decision to be making right now. Which isn't the worst thing ever. I mean, it's not like we have like 50 levels that we've already made and we're gonna have to go through and like call them. We have like a room made, maybe.
Yeah.
Actually, that's not true. We have 2 rooms. We have that new big ass room that you made, room 10, and we have room 8.
1, 2, 3.
Because room 8 is perfect, and I don't think room 8 should be touched ever because it is too perfect.
Yeah, some of those are decent.
Yeah, room 2 is okay. Room 1's alright. The like area on the left with the drop through platform, I don't really like a ton, but that was where the flying enemies got stuck for like a year.
True.
Room 5 definitely needs to be killed. I think we're in agreement on that one.
I don't remember which one that is, but yeah, sure.
That's the tall one. It's the
Oh yeah, that one, like, it's not even in the game right now. I mean, I think most of the ones that are in the game right now are like decent. I mean, it's in the game, it's not in the generation. It's not like usable.
It
rooms.
is.
No, it's not.
What are you talking about?
Is it really tall?
What?
It's not.
Yeah. Is it not?
It's literally not.
When the fuck did you take it out? I'm happy.
I'm pretty sure
Why didn't you
took
delete
it
the
out,
file? Why wasn't the file deleted?
because
Get rid of
none
that
you wanna
shit.
use it.
No, we don't use that shit. That shit's evil. Oh my god, room 5's not in the game. 1 is in the game, 2, 3, 4, 5 isn't, 6 is. What was room 7? Room 7's gone. Room 7.
Room 6
Let me
or
think about it.
7.
Room
There we go, I
7.
think this is the.
I don't know which one that is. Oh, this one. Yeah. You got rid of this one. I guess that makes sense because there's like, it's very like thin. There's
Which
not a whole
one?
lot of
Is room
moving.
7?
Right, this one. This one's not in the pool anymore either.
Oh yeah, I didn't like that one. There we
Yeah,
go. How do
that's
the
fair.
ears on this look? I think that looks pretty good.
Looks okay. Yeah. Have you tried removing like the square pixel to make them like
this?
rounded? No. Like the opposite of that, like where it connects
Like
to
this?
the bell. Yeah.
I
I think I like that more, to be honest.
don't know, something's weird in there.
And maybe the bottom where it connects to the bell, like not the
This here?
pixel. Yeah, that one. Yes.
Like, get rid of it.
Maybe not just that color, but I think so. Because there wouldn't be like a harsh line there.
Yeah, you might be right there. It just looks a little weird though because it doesn't quite follow the arc of the circle properly. It might need to change
Yeah.
that. It's like this is very straight here. Is this the? I'm trying to remember. How does this go?
What was I doing? What was I doing? Oh yeah, effect stuff. Lol. Bool property. What the fuck would this be called? Like, I guess I could just do like default state is false, and then this can just return default state.
Now the ears are too big.
You're gonna have to beat the soggy croissant up for stealing your PC? What the fuck are you talking about?
This isn't bad, but I feel like the ears are too tall now. If we just made the ears like really small like this. Oh, that looks perfect. I fixed it.
Whoa. Let's go. Fire.
And now it needs like the little pixel on the top of the. Maybe we go like. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect.
Okay, I think that works. Hello, Mr. Gamers B. How's it going?
Also, hello, Moaz Cheeseburger.
Wow, that was a fucking year and a half ago. What the hell? Nah, I get it though. I'd be doing that shit too.
Yeah, you do.
Mm-hmm.
Forget Liddick.
Whoa. Oh, shit. Is that...
I love Dr. Pepper.
Something's wrong. Fire effect. Amount is 5. Amount is going up currently. Oh, I know what's going on. Fire area. Bonk. On area exit. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to...
Do we just call this Bell, or do we call it like Cat Bell, or like... Okay. What do we call this Bell? Is it just Cat Bell?
Bell,
Is it
bell, bell.
Bell.
Bell, bell, bell.
Boo Bell.
Boo bell.
Hello, Duo
Spears?
Gamers B.
Oh shit, dude.
Duo Gamers Spheres.
No, no. Bad. I still think one of my favorite, like, it's not even like a joke, but it's just like a, oh, that's kind of funny, is
Let's call it Relic Bell.
in Simple Flips' server, one of the general chats was called Boxes But Round for the longest time. And I don't know why that's so funny to me, because that just means balls, but like
Balls.
not really, you know.
It's kind of fire.
Yeah, it's like a, if you know, you know.
If you know, you know. I'm trying to think, how could I make the bells have cool synergies?
So what are they doing?
Whenever, I don't know if it'll be on hit or when you kill. I think maybe on kill it'll spawn a bell that'll like roll around, and if you shoot it, it'll blow up.
Ah,
At least that's the idea. I'm open to other options.
you said you wanted them to synergize?
Yeah.
What if whenever you shoot a bell, it does a little ring thing, which will like pulse out and activate bells in like an area around it, or hit the bells in an area around it, so that you have to hit them less. So it's like ringing. It's like the spire.
I mean, we could have it like ring the bell and just have that like deal damage instead of exploding. That could actually be even cooler.
Could be. Oh fuck. Yeah, it could be.
And then we could...
I love writing shaders. I love writing shaders. I actually do, so it's fine.
Do you have
but
Enter the Gungeon Bullet Guy reference?
it is there. We're not using it currently, but it is there.
I need to figure out. I don't know what he does yet, but yes. Scoobers probably haven't beaten Enter the Gungeon. I have beaten, like, I've technically beaten Enter the Gungeon. I've beaten the dragon boss guy. I have not like 100%ed it
Same,
because that
yeah.
is ridiculously hard.
That game is difficult whenever you go for like the crazy shit, like fighting the rat, dude. Oh my god, evil bastard.
I haven't even gotten to the Rat Slayer.
Who knows? Maybe I have. Maybe you have it. I mean, Maybe you have. Probably not though.
Maybe. Anyways, while we're here, what should the bullet guy item do? 'Cause it'll be a relic that'll do stuff. I'm trying to think, what's like an
What?
iconic thing that
Oh.
dungeon has that we could like put in as a reference that the item would
The
do?
bullets that shoot guns. Just not.
I mean, it could just give you like a bullet that follows you around.
Yeah, and just like shoots.
Yeah,
Yeah, you could.
it's like
I mean,
an innate summon.
oh, you're right. We actually could have like a. What if we had specific types of relics where it's like you can only have one of that type? Where it's like there's like pet relics, and you can have one pet relic in the entire thing. And whenever you go into the room, it just like spawns that with you.
I mean, why would we only limit it to one?
I don't know, just because like then it's like a little bit of like a committal thing, and you're like, ah, you know, I want this thing or I want this thing instead of all of them. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
Could do with that,
Another thing that Saphira does that's very cool is it has like item sets where like different items will be like a certain type, and if you collect like more items of that type, it'll give you like a buff. So there'll be like lightning type items, and if you have like 3 lightning type items, it'll like increase your move speed by 10%. And then if you have 4, it'll be like 15%. If you have 5, it'll be like 20%.
It's kind of
So it'll give you like set bonuses for collecting similar items. I don't think that would be the greatest because we don't. I don't think we have. Maybe we have enough items for that, but I think that works well in that game just because there's like so many items. I still need to make the lucky cat do something, don't I?
Probably, yeah. Sorry, is the player still getting fire? Why the fuck is this going up?
There's like a bunch of relics I have in here that don't do anything yet.
Value is.
Oh, we need to
true?
make the skeleton key do something now that we have keys in the game.
I might. Oh, I was literally thinking about. Not that. Sorry, I didn't. This is not to you. I was thinking about this in my head. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna end up running into a bug because I haven't properly tested this bull property thing works. And I think I'm running into that right now, which is very cool and fun.
It's very cool and fun. Oh, we also have
Yeah.
I really want to figure out what the traffic cone is going to do, because I feel like that has to do something fun, but I don't know what. Hello, Doggo Doom. How are you doing? Okay, so new relic. How do I make a relic, guys? Obviously, we start by creating a new resource of type relic. And we call it... How are you? I am doing well. I am making the relic bell, which will spawn bells.
Oh, I see what's happening here. Which is, I think, if I step out of this, so it starts off as false, and then it doesn't all match. And even though this array is empty, that means yes, it does in fact all match.
Wait, I know what we could do.
I see.
We need to add the stun status effect, and we could make it that when you ring the bell, it like stuns the enemies. In like
Oh,
a radius.
What if you added a radius?
Yeah, like a radius around the bell.
Yeah.
So,
I
like,
don't know,
you hit the
You added a
bell-
T at the end of the word radius. You said radius.
Maybe I did. But like you hit the bell, it rings, and it does like a stun in a radius.
Yeah.
And then
Maybe. Well, like
that way,
against
if we have any synergies with like stunning, then that would work well with that.
Wait, I might be stupid. Hold on.
Because yeah,
I
that's
thought
just
it
like
was-
stuff I want to think about more is like if I'm adding an item, what is going to work well with it, and not just like, oh, this would do well with like this one specific item. I want it to be like a lot more broad. Because some of the weapons and stuff I might honestly either remove or rework, because a lot of the stuff in game right now just like doesn't have good synergies, and that's something I really want to have. That's one reason that I was thinking about pushing back the demo, is because like I just don't think we have the builds in the game right now that are fun.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fair.
Can we use the bell to stun them for the rest of the stream?
That's like, you're not asking for a lot, to be honest. He's usually stunned most of the stream anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What if we all played Enter the
Excuse
Gungeon right now?
Well,
Are there like Enter the Gun, so like multiplayer mods for Enter the Gungeon?
So it has local multiplayer, and then we have Steam Remote Play.
Ooh, wait, you're right.
That's
Honestly, I
sounds
mean, we're not
terrible.
that far away. It
Yeah,
probably
but that
wouldn't
still
be
sounds
that
kinda
bad.
terrible.
Yeah, but it wouldn't be that bad.
I wouldn't want to do that
Okay, fine.
because I would yell a lot at you. and I
Yeah, we
don't
could
think
play
you'd want that.
Sephiria multiplayer, or Subnautica multiplayer, or Far Far
Yeah,
West
Subnautica multiplayer for sure. Yeah.
Are we playing
Yeah,
Magic
yeah.
tonight, by the way? We should. I really want to play
Are
the
we?
Strixhaven commander decks.
I don't know. We could do a draft if we don't have enough people as well, or like a sealed.
True. I think
If it was
Justin
just
said
like us.
he's down like any day besides last night.
Well, that's not what he said.
That's what
I
he
can
said.
read what he said if you want,
Um,
because he didn't say he was down any day this week other than whatever.
said,
It was
I'm
that you
down
asked.
for
do
any
you want-
other night this week.
Oh, okay, never mind. I did misremember. I thought that he said. I thought he said if it was any other night that you asked.
6/7 commander deck. Yeah, Secrets of 6/7. My favorite set of all time.
I hate you. I hate that that kind of works too.
It literally
That pisses
does.
me
I
off.
literally have an image of it. And it's beautiful. I send it to
Moaz,
my...
were you here? You weren't in the call last night.
Here.
Did you know that they added the 6/7 emote to Rivals of Aether too?
Here, Biddy, check this out.
What am I checking out? What's up?
Just check your messages.
Oh, you sent me something. Give me a second then. Yeah, that like instantly goes away.
If they don't have the Codex bundle tomorrow, I'm gonna crash out. They're supposed to come out a week ago.
6/7, you fucking.
Isn't it
bastard.
fire?
I hate you. I hate you.
You know, if like Stefa is available, we could have Moaz join. Moaz, you want to join Magic?
Moaz doesn't have tabletop.
Arrgh. Just send her some Steam cases. Steam cases, Counter-Strike cases. Imagine if there was Steam cases and you could gamble for games. Hold up.
That's a thing.
What do you
Kind
mean that's
of.
a thing?
It's a thing, kind of.
No, it's not. You're lying.
It is kind of.
You're lying.
The websites. I don't condone this, by the way. I don't think you should use this website. I do not like this website. I'm bringing it up simply for educational purposes. It's nothing illegal. I actually just do not like this website. You know G2A, this site,
No.
this shitty fucking site where people. So this is one of the reseller sites where people will get like
Yeah,
a few copies and then they'll go and
keys
sell.
stuff, Yeah.
One of their things that they have is like you buy a thing for like $5 and then it just like gives you like 10 games on Steam that are just like random.
Yeah, that sounds terrible. Because they're probably all awful.
They are usually just awful, yes. And it's never ever worth your money, and it will never give you a thing that's like, oh, dude, I got Grand Theft Auto for $5 from this loot box thing. It's like, no,
Yeah.
actually, you just, yeah. Is there not like there is a setter for this. Why are you not getting setted?
Also, I think in terms of creating more content for like items and cards and stuff, I think we should make the items more complicated than the cards in general. Like the items should do crazy stuff on certain triggers, and then the cards should do like simple things that'll help you hit those triggers. If that makes sense.
Sure, yeah.
So like something like the box is like, it's not a bad card, but it's like if the description has to be like 2 paragraphs long to explain it. Obviously that one's just like written badly probably, but it's gambling and that's fun, I think. True. Don't gamble, guys. Unless it's Counter-Strike, then it's worth it.
Don't do that either, actually.
Oh yeah, Far Far West is gambling too. It's tough. It even has like the case opening animation where it'll like spin and it'll give you like a
Whoa,
random.
artificial like stakes. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's even better. You don't have to pay for it, and you
It
still
isn't
get the
just you press
gambling.
the button and it like goes, oh, you fucked up, or yeah, you fucked up, but a little bit less this time.
We need to add the spinny animation to Dante's 9 somewhere.
That would maybe be okay, simply for the fact that it's not like a actual gambling thing.
Yeah, I mean it's not in like Far Far West as well.
JW be like, no guys, you need to play this game, and it's like just another shooter slop kind of game.
This guy likes beta Minecraft, so don't listen to his opinion.
That's probably true. Why is this not doing damage? Why is player not taking damage from fire? Am I stupid or dumb?
So you think
Yeah.
this should definitely be on kill, not on hit, because if it was like on hit, that would be a
What?
lot of bells.
Yeah, probably.
What do we think, like 20% chance
Wait, for what?
for the bells?
Sorry? Oh,
or
to
just spawn
spawn
a
them.
bell.
Okay.
Or it could just be on every
Yeah.
kill.
I think the chance for it to spawn is fine.
Yeah, well, I can just mess with it and see. Let me think. So we'll want it to spawn a bell. I think what I'll do is I'll make it so that way it just like deals damage. The ring just does damage right now, and then we can switch it to like a status effect later.
Sure.
We can probably, I'm trying to think, yeah, we could do a status effect. Do you have it set up that we can do like type damages yet?
So, give me a second.
No, you're good. Okay, I think I can just copy the salmon for this, because it literally just does the same thing where it spawns something.
There we go. Sorry, I put up my thing on stream so that I can show
Good.
that I'm locked in, because I realize like I'm,
The locked-in indicator.
yeah.
You know,
don't
you can
tap
just
the
like
glass
tell
indicator.
people that you're locked in.
So do you know? Well, yeah, I can. But like, imagine someone like goes AFK or joins in that moment, and then I look like I'm just ignoring people.
Well, I mean, yeah, because you are.
That's true. Oh. Oh, shit.
Mm-hmm.
Player's taking damage. Don't know why, actually. Weird. Why the fuck are you taking damage, brother? What's going on? What's the big idea, pal? I see.
Six, 7.
Okay, I think that was the issue.
Was it now?
Now it's still doing stupid shit. What the hell?
Many such cases.
Wait, who the fuck are you? Oh no, this was supposed to be timed over. I'm stupid and dumb.
Yeah, that's okay. It's
Oopsie.
really not, but you know. Oop, white bell.
Is the indicator still there? Huh? What? Bus?
Bus.
Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so dumb, dude.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's not. It's not okay. I'm so stupid and dumb and stupid.
Yeah, you're right.
There we go. That's correct. That's fucking fast as hell, though. That something's wrong. Sounds like someone's breaking in.
Did you fix the thing where the soul crystals would get set on fire?
Nope.
Okay.
I can put it on my list, though. My list.
Although, I'm thinking, I wonder if that would actually be something potentially that we would want. Like, I think that could be cool if you could set like non-enemies on fire or give them like statuses. Because like, imagine if you could set the bell on fire and it would just like keep ringing over and over again whenever the fire ticks.
So is there a reason that the thing doesn't just have like a health component on it then?
No, not really. I don't know.
Okay.
That's a good question.
Especially because it is something that can be killed.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe because I don't know if I originally wanted it to be able to be killed.
Damn, bro, I set the drain time to hella long.
But I'll probably
5
give
full
this
seconds?
one a
There's no way
health
that's more than 5
component,
seconds.
'cause I don't think I want this one to last forever. 'Cause that would be a little bit powerful. Yeah, I guess I would probably want to have health so that way you couldn't just like ring it infinitely.
Thinking. Why is this not like going down? Affect drain time. Oh, I see. I understand. Kind of. Yeah, maybe I am stupid or something.
Yeah, it's possible.
There's like a decent chance. That's okay. Here's what I'll do. I don't know why I copied that entire function as if all of this is going to be copied. It's going to be very little. Okay, does that work? Do we crash? Maybe, maybe not. We'll find out. There we go. That looks correct to me. So now if there's like 1,000 things that's setting the player on fire, it only ticks up the same amount. Hooray! But if we wanted to specifically say, strike this bitch with fire, we can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, sorry, you asked me a question like an hour ago. What was it?
I don't know.
Okay. I mean, that's fine. It doesn't affect me. You're the one that asked the question.
What?
What? Whoa! Alright, that's fixed. So boom, boom. Wizard buff, increased damage from source type, poison. Increased damage from source type. How involved would it be to change attacks? How often are we making new attacks? Actually, not as often as I thought. What the fuck? JW, you haven't looked at my screen yet, have you?
Huh?
Okay. Number. How many attacks, like, how many times do you think we're calling, like, attack.new?
10 times.
Okay, give me, like, a reasonable number that isn't 10. I know that that's not
30
what you actually think
times.
the answer is.
Well, I don't know. I know it's gonna be like smaller than I originally guessed because that's what you said.
It's
Probably
38 times.
38. In what?
Just
Like period?
What?
Like what? In what context?
Our code base?
Oh, you mean how? Okay, I see. How many times it's written? Okay. I was thinking like how many times it's called like in a run.
Oh,
That might be a little
actually,
stupid.
that'd be an interesting one. I'm gonna hold on. You.
Yeah, I mean that's what I was thinking.
That's a good question that I definitely want to find out. So I'm just gonna print out like exactly. We're just gonna see really quickly what happens, how often attacks are made, because I actually don't know the answer to that. I think it's gonna be decently often, like code-wise, because now there's like the whole cloning thing. Whenever you attack things, it will like clone the attack for the. Yeah, it's quite often, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I don't know why I pulled out a pumpkin bomb to hit that guy, as if that would ever work. I have no clue what just hit me. And I made the damn game. Damn, shotgun goes fucking crazy. Oh my god, shotgun is broken. What the hell?
Is it?
Okay, so how many times? I did one room. How many printed messages? That was 600.
600?
Yeah. Oh no, there's also these. I don't know why these are still here. This wasn't even from the same. I guess it was from the same run, but let's see. About a little under 400 or so.
A little under 400.
For one room. That's pretty decent. That's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah. I'm just thinking about one that needs to be like way less. Did I write down what I wanted to change about the attack system?
Probably not.
Right.
Why would you do that?
Yeah, that's a good question. Did I message you about it? I might have messaged you about it. Let me check.
Maybe you did.
Dude, some messages are honestly really funny, even after like I already know what it says.
True.
A yarn ball lags Axel's game to like 5. Oh fuck! Oops. Here's my entire screen that I took a screenshot of instead. Bonk. A yarn ball lags Axel's game to like 5 FPS. We actually have a fix for that. Do you remember what I said?
No.
Tell Axel to stop picking yarn ball.
True.
I don't know why it lags his computer.
I don't know either, because I mean,
ThinkPad?
it's not like his computer's bad, because we were playing like Far Far West earlier, and that's like a Unreal Engine game with like a
I have
billion
no idea.
things on screen.
Genuinely no clue. My ThinkPad, my shitty fucking ThinkPad that has integrated graphics and can barely run Dante's 9 above 30 FPS if it's in full screen, does not lag noticeably at all when yarn ball is thrown out or retrieved.
Yeah.
I genuinely have no clue. I will look into it. It does need fixes and changes because the code itself is gross, and I'm sure that isn't helping, but I have no clue how it lags this game. Yeah, I might look at making some system level changes for attacks. I said some things like I'll just put not possible RN. First attack from a card deals extra damage. Crit stacking would, well, fixed. I'll call it fixed with quotes because it's fixed, but I don't like what we're doing to fix it. Oh yeah. The hitting 2 enemies and apply hitting a slime and worm another enemy. Or what would you call it? Exploding, I guess. Exploding slime another enemy. It's damage. Something like that, I think. How would... What would I want it to look like? Let me look at the places we're using attack on you. Because there are some places that make sense and some places that really, really don't. Like... Yeah, like this. Like if I remove the clone off of this, this just works, right? I don't remember. Is that slower than normal? No. Okay, so that literally adds nothing. But like for the laser pointer, we were making one attack for the entire time that the laser is out. Like, I guess actually a really, really useful one would be, how often are we getting a new UUID? Oh, really? What? Huh? Why?
I need to find a good bell sound. Give me a second here. I cannot work on this unless I have a good bell sound. How about microwave oven bell?
Yeah, that might be the move.
Nope, that's terrible. Oh wait, I'm searching in there the wrong folder. That'd be why. I was like, why are there not 5 billion bell sounds? I know there has to be. I finally went through and downloaded like the other 100 gigabytes of sounds. So I only downloaded like half of them.
It's kind of sick.
Train, no. Bell guitar, no. No. Just want like a straight up bell sound. How about this?
There we go. Yes, this works without cloning.
Oh, that's a cowbell. Bell 10B. That does not sound good. Nope.
Oh, but you're a different attack for every single projectile, which is like weird and bizarre.
Bell. Nope. Do I not have a good bell sound in here? How about this one? That's like almost really good, but it has like 2 rings. I just want one. Someone was ringing my bell IRL.
A bell? You don't have a fucking mailbox, but you have a bell? What the hell?
Chimes. How about this? No, that sounds cool, but that's not what I want.
JW, if you want, oh yeah, there's short form content. You gotta edit this though.
I gotta edit this.
Yeah. You have to announce the new bell item and then use the clip of the guy like standing at the doorbell, like ringing the fucking thing, like the gym alarm thing, and then like put the sprite over it and then have it like transition to like a really quick, just like a montage of you using the bell.
Maybe. Okay, so there are no good bell sounds in here apparently. Let me check my other sound folder. Bell.
Just like synthesize a bell.
UI bell. How about that? Actually, that's not. So that one wasn't terrible.
Why did I look at attacks? Why am I looking at attacks right now? Oh yeah, because I wanted to consider source type for damage. I see.
This one isn't terrible. Here, I'll mix it up a bit in Audacity. I might try to grab one of the other ones and mix them together and hope it sounds good.
Just do this for now. Hope this works. Probably, potentially. We'll find out. I'm not using attack type like at all, right? This is just something that was put in here for reasons that.
Yeah, because I wanted to like set it up to like
Yeah,
work,
that's okay.
but then it
Well,
never did.
Guess what? Now we're getting attack types. Can't find base member attack type in enum? Why the fuck are we lying? I know you know it's there. I know it's there and you know it's there, and let's not even like lie about it. It's literally right there. Whatever, dude. Who fucking cares? Me. It's me. What is this? This feels gross. I still agree, but
What about mystery
oh
bells?
god.
Nope. There's a lot of cool like
What is?
atmospheric sounds in this pack that we could totally use in like some spooky areas.
Fuck, I don't remember how this works. I should have written like documentation on this or some shit. Let's find out what this does.
Where did the one bell sound go that I actually liked?
Okay, so activation happens. Use card happens when you left click. Yeah. I remember that now. Okay. What about the scene? That's based on card scene. Oh, you're like not used in here at all, actually. What is card ability again? I don't. Does this get used? Sure fucking does. Fun fact, there's still a
That
thing in
actually
here
works.
for ability visual.
Very
There's still a
cool.
reference to that class. It definitely still exists. And still definitely gets used.
Actually kind of works. Maybe we layer like one sound on top. Be like a lower sound, like a metallic hit. Metal.
You're back. Did I be Enter the Gungeon? Yeah, Oh, that was probably the...
What if we did what if I did an Enter the Gungeon run like at the end of stream? See how far I can get.
Oh, that'd be crazy. AI viewers.
AI viewers? What?
But I really don't get AI viewers. This makes no fucking
Well,
sense.
because people only care about numbers, by the way. In case you didn't
AI
know.
viewers?
Yeah.
What's... If they care about the numbers, how is an
botting?
AI viewer different than a fucking view bot?
Yeah, it's exactly the same. They're just adding AI onto it because it's AI buzzword.
Dude, AI viewers, holy shit. I can have a fucking harem of AI chatters. Oh my
Wait, this
god,
might actually work
dude.
really well. Hold up.
This is what I need.
Did I just create a masterpiece of... Oh, wait, that's fire. You gotta hear this sound. Hold up. Hold up, pause your music.
Give me a
It's like kind of beautiful. That might be the goat of sound design. Isn't it amazing?
Give me a second, JW.
Yeah, okay, so I'm just playing the sound over and over again for no reason.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. I said give me a second, and you're not giving me a second.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Hey, knock it off, you.
Sorry, I paused my music so I had to fill it in.
Alright, then here, I'm gonna help you out. I'm just gonna check out what's up. What do you want?
Do you like my bell sound?
I didn't unmute this. Oh god.
Isn't it great?
I really don't like that. Alright, stream's muted. We're going back
This
to
guy
not
hates
that.
me.
I don't
It's
know what it is. I
crazy.
really, really don't like that.
So AI viewers are hard to discern from viewbots because it's doing other stuff like messing with the OS, viewbotting other pages, and even pausing and restarting the stream.
Hmm.
Very cool. Okay, fine, I'll remove this.
I'm assuming you mean they're harder to discern from like an actual viewer versus a view bot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn down the sound preview so I don't like deafen people by going through awful sounds of metal getting hit. Yeah, that's why the metal isn't like growling.
Why not?
Uh,
Okay. Fair enough. You're definitely a view bot. I believe it. You're going to different streamers' chats. Like my chat, and then JW's chat, and then my chat again, and JW's chat again. But those are 4 different chats. Oh my god, another fucking AI viewers? Get out of here. The guide. Oh, JW.
mm-hmm.
So you know how you were talking about the like the first time you attack with a card, it does like double damage or something like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Salmon Storm.
I
Does
that
Salmon
wouldn't.
Storm-
I don't think that would count because I would do it only for equipment, but
Okay, that's okay. That's perfectly fine with me. I'm so okay with that.
we could do Salmon Storm if you want to.
No. No. I don't want that.
I think we should do it on Salmon Storm because like sometimes it'll have more than one charge.
And you can do it. You can come in here and you can code it. I don't wanna.
Programmer who doesn't want to program.
Artist who doesn't artist.
I literally just drew a bell.
Whoa.
Nope, that sounds terrible. I think it sounded better with the other sound. Maybe we do the other one and just like EQ it better or something.
It might have been the like tones of it. I don't know why I said tone, that's not the correct word. The like frequency is like the note
Yeah.
that it's playing. It might just be like fucking hitting a tritone or some shit. Should be
Yeah, I
fucking
could, like,
critting me.
pitch it up a little bit, maybe. 10% change upwards. Yeah, that's actually a bit better. And I'll turn this one down a little bit. Turn this one down a little bit as well. Maybe I should pitch it up even a little bit more. Yeah, yo, we'll call that good.
I don't know if this is called. Nope. Perfect. Cool. Terrific.
Okay, that's good enough for right now. I can improve that sound later. It's crazy how, like, easy sound design is if you have, like, some, like, random samples lying around. I kind of suck at it, but, like, it's not that hard. Theoretically, this should work now.
It's funny, I'm thinking the same thing. Theoretically, this works fine. In actuality, it crashed. Hmm?
Oh, oops, I think I forgot to give the... Yeah. Silly me. Can you make like a shader that does like a little shockwave effect out from the bell? Thank you.
Yeah. Mhm.
Oh, it's like I could just do like a gradient texture that like smooths out, but I was like, no, I want a shader. And that's
Yeah.
definitely a shader that we could reuse in multiple places.
Yeah, distortion shaders are easy. You can use gradient
Wait, I
shaders
really
to
like
determine
how
the
this
distortion as
looks.
well.
Hold up.
I thought we had a distortion shader actually, did we not? Oh, we don't. Okay, I'll make a generic distortion at some point.
Does this guy count as dying?
Should, yeah.
That's a no.
What do you mean that's a no? You need to like print more.
I love how these guys like never die because the knockback like pushes them back into the last one. Hey, it spawned a bell. I saw one. I forgot to give it collision layers though, so I just fell through the floor.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm stupid. I don't think this. This is dumb. I'm being stupid right now. Kind of.
You will not be on a layer, and you will look for... Wait, no. Yeah, you will look for the ground. Oh, I need to give the hitbox layer as well. This goes on hitbox, enemy hitbox layer. Yeah. Also just add a bunch of them so that way I have like 100% chance to spawn. Okay, so it appears these guys do not trigger the non-death event, which is interesting. Oopsies. Oh. Imagine if Dante's 9 was like a good game.
Mm-hmm. It's true. Imagine.
Love how they like jump sometimes when you shoot them now. It's very funny.
Hmm? Oh.
I'm guessing it's because they get knocked back and it does something funny with their
Pathfinding and
pathfinding, yeah. Okay, why is it not spawning any bells? Spawned one bell, then I was like, yeah, we're good. Why do they like only sometimes make bell sound? Oh, is it because of the I might have coded it wrong.
I don't know what's so funny about. Why is this thing not working? Oh, I might have done something wrong. Yeah, probably. That is my guess.
I also need to make
Are you playing it
push
via
them
the audio
around.
manager, or do you have like a stream
Yeah,
attached to it?
it's playing it with the audio manager. Also, I don't know if I told you this, but I set all the audio managers to be play when paused, or like always process mode always, because there's some weird stuff where sometimes I think if you spawned an audio stream like while it was about to pause, it would do weird stuff if you were like playing UI sounds. So I just like made them all process always.
Okay, that makes sense.
The only thing that I've noticed that it changes is before it would, when you open a card pack, it would play the pickup sound after the card pack opened. Then now it plays the pickup sound when you pick it up, which is like fine. What am I changing? Bitlytic. What did I break?
Hmm?
Oh yeah, I wanted
What?
to see
I don't know. What did I break is crazy, as if I have any idea what you're doing.
yeah.
It could be any number of things. It could be insane. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see what I was doing wrong. I might be a little stupid. That is okay.
Sorry, my mind just went through some of the least funny things I could ever think about, all in like half a second.
Hmm.
I accidentally, you know how you can do like colon equals to assign a variable and set its type at the same time?
Yeah.
I accidentally put 2 equal signs, and I was like, that's funny, because it kind of looks like a penis. And then I was like, what if we just made a fork of Godot, where the only change in the entire engine is we just changed that operator to be 2 equal signs, just for it to like be like, this engine is longer, or whatever. I don't know. Just like a series of kind of funny things.
Wait, that's so satisfying. Hold up.
What happened?
I'm rolling a bowling ball through a bunch of bells. Makes a very satisfying sound. I need to fix how the you can now roll them around though by running into them.
Still here, by the way. It's fine. You don't have to remind me. I do appreciate you being here, but I don't. I
Oh, I
don't
should
need
probably
to be
make
like.
them like collide with each other as well.
I don't need to be reassured that there are people here. I don't know what's so funny about the still here, by the way. There's like just in case you're worried.
What layers should I make these? How many layers do we have to work with, by the way? I forget.
32.
32, okay. Because I'm just
Yeah, we're
like,
good.
should I make another layer specifically for bells?
Probably not. I don't know why.
Yeah,
you
but like,
would.
what do I put them? Well, I want them to collide with each other.
Oh, you want them to collide with each other? You could do player attack. I think. I don't know if player attack.
Yeah,
is
but then
used
it's gonna
in-
collide like with anything else that's a player attack, essentially.
Yeah, that's like fine, right? Like a bowling ball, you just roll a bowling ball at it, and it just fucking like bounces around.
Maybe. Wait, what is
Turn
like
on
the
bit-
pumpkin?
Turn on bit 2. Turn on bit 2.
Is that a pumpkin? Isn't a? It's not on a layer, I don't think. It's on. It is on player attack. Okay.
Oh, lol.
I guess I can put on player attack. Bowling ball is actually its own layer, but I probably should just put it on like player attack. I didn't really think about that. Oh, I guess it is on player attack. Never mind. But it only looks for bowling ball. Okay, I see. I'll have a look for player attack as well. Let's try that and see if that breaks anything. Are you winning at Gungeon, by the way?
I'm not playing Gungeon. Thanks for asking.
I wasn't talking to you.
Yeah.
Oop, I forgot to make them look for, I'm absolutely not winning on Gungeon. RIP. What happens if I just spawn in an explosion? No, it just works. That's actually kind of sick that I can just do that.
Yeah. Oh no, I was doing some shit earlier that I found out about was the
That's like so cool.
yeah. The bullet tracer particles is yeah, you can just spawn these in as well, which is fun.
The what? Let me see it. Oh, that's very fun.
See, that's what happens whenever you code things in a way where they're not like dependent on what they're attached to, and they're just kind of like independent things that like can be like stapled together when they need to be. It's very, very fun. That was actually one of the main reasons I switched to Godot, was because I was working on a game jam project, and then I was like, you know, I wonder what happens if I just put like a second player in. And I put in the second player, and that shit just worked. Like
Something's
everything
really
just kept
weird
working, and I
about
was
it.
like, holy shit. So, have any recommendations or suggestions for Obsidian plugins? There's the Kanban board that we use. I don't know what the fuck it's called plugin wise. I can look. Ow. Oh, it's just called Kanban by MG Myers. This one. It allows you to make. Oh my god, I fucking hate this app. I really hate that these buttons over here are create things and not like categories and shit that you can click on. I think if you
That's a little too much.
these should definitely be like a you click a thing and it pulls up a menu instead of whatever, but there's Biddy2 board. This is this thing. Yeah, no, because like in Visual Studio Code, like these are categories to like view the project. And this app is very clearly like the same layout as everything else that is this style of like editor. They're like, oh, we're gonna use the same usability as other editors. Except surprise bitch. Just kidding. These are immediate actions that do things the second you click on them.
Oh, that was really
and not
funny. I made them
tabs.
collide with each other in the editor, and there's a bunch of them stacked
Mhm.
on top of each other, and they all like blew up into. Isn't this so sick? Look at this.
That's fire.
Imagine if these
Yeah.
all like did a little shock wave that triggered every other one.
What if you jump onto them? Do they flip through the ground, or have we fixed
No,
that?
it's the it's using the gib pusher thing, which I don't think.
Ah,
I don't remember exactly
yeah.
how we had it set up, but I think we had it set up so it doesn't.
yeah, it tries its hardest to not make
Yeah,
it clip because
exactly.
it has like a loose physics thing attached to the player.
Yeah, if I turn on collision, it will show up.
You would have to turn on force collision, but yeah,
Okay.
because that one's like hidden.
Yeah,
completely.
collision and force visible.
Yeah, you might be able to see it.
Is it the bigger circle? No, I don't think.
No,
you
it's
can
a
see
small
it.
circle. It's a small circle that's like.
Yeah,
just
I know
barely
what you're
attached to the
talking
player.
about. Though I remember seeing that.
Yeah. It was one of those temporary solutions that just worked like well enough that surprise it's like that now. Those are not going to collide with each other because you have to reload the scene.
Yeah, I know.
Which you can do without restarting the game.
Wait, how?
Go into the spawn menu, find the scene, right click it, and then hit reload scene.
Bell.
So like, yeah, right click it, reload scene. Boom. Now whenever you spawn them, they collide with each
What?
other. I know. I'm goated. Because I was like, I'm so tired of having to restart the game after I have like a full setup of shit. So I just I made it so it reloads it.
This force still isn't enough. Should be like 50. You need to go flying.
That is Visual Studio Code, yeah. I use Visual Studio Code for Git operations and general text editing.
Isn't this fire?
What did I do to do that? So Godot will automatically try to pick up like changes. Like if I were to go into, this is a bad one to use.
What is meowing over there? Oh, are the bells? Can the bells hit the? The
Yeah,
bells
probably.
can hit the. That's fire. Oh, because they're a player attack, and the thing looks for
Oh, this
player
thing.
attack. I think.
So this
That's
this
really
laser right
funny.
here, like let's say I were to go into laser pointer ability.
So what
Just so
I'm
you understand, I don't know if you understand exactly what's going on. By the way, Duo Gamers B. So I just wanted to like make it as clear as possible what all is happening before I go into the how and why it gets
Okay,
changed.
the bowling ball plus the bell is very cursed because the bowling balls can collide with the bells, but the bells, when they take damage from the bowling ball, get a force applied to them. So it just kind of goes flying.
That's fun.
Which is like kind of sick
Yeah.
and kind of a fire
So-
combo.
Yeah. So if I were to go in here and make this like a different color, and save it inside of the game, the current version of the laser that's on screen gets changed. But if I were to add a new laser to my hand, it doesn't. And so I want that to apply. Let's say I want that to apply to any laser spawned from now on while I'm still in the game. I have this debug spawn menu that lets me look for any scene within the game and like just spawn it, which I'm not going to do that because I think it'll break. So if I hit reload scene, this will clear the cache for that scene and will like reload it from disk. So the way that I did that was, I believe it's under the spawn actions file.
The other fun thing about spawning
How do I
things
look
like
at-
this is we can easily just like reuse these in like a card or something, like have a card that
Yeah.
like spawns a bunch of bells or something,
Yeah.
which is what I
Um,
really
so-
like about doing this.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So what I have is I have this function inside of our utils, which just does this thing. So what I'm doing is resource loader is kind of whenever you do like preload or load or anything like that, you're actually doing a call to resource loader. And so what I'm doing is loading the actual resource. This thing is, I believe it's a type hint, the second parameter. Yeah, it's a type hint. And then I'm saying the cache mode is replace D. So by default, it will cache it so that anytime it reloads the scene or like anytime there's a request that's like load this scene in, it's like, oh, I already loaded that from disk. So we're just saying resource loader.load this resource and just replace the cache. Alternatively, you can use cache mode ignore deep, and what this will do is it'll just like for that specific instance of loading it, it won't use the cache, but for this one, it will like fully replace what's in the cache, which is very nice. Big fan of it. Yeah. I don't know how you would do this on like or I do know how you would do it, but I don't think that I would do that is like on a the entire list of scenes in the game reload the cache. I don't believe there's a way that says like resource loader dot clear cache or whatever. I think it's just like get to the specific one and load it in and replace the cache. Yeah, I don't think we do.
I also need to have it apply like a little impulse when it spawns, so that way when it spawns from an enemy, it doesn't just like fall from the sky. We will do.
What was I doing? Oh yeah, I wanted to. So I was thinking about it. What relics do we have in the game? Actually, I should just look. Or I don't know. I should add an add all relics button. I'm not going to do that, but I should. I will eventually, probably, at some point when it becomes too annoying to not do that. So it'd probably be the crystals that I want to look at the most. Because I know, yeah, these go through the cards, but they don't specifically. Let's say I were to make it. Let's try making a new relic. Fuck it. Relic. It's been a minute since I've made a relic. You are in the wrong spot, aren't you, buddy?
I know how to make a relic.
You almost do. I don't know why this is here. You put this in the wrong spot. You put a script inside the data folder.
Oh
That's
yeah,
not
don't worry
supposed
about
to
that
be
one.
I am. I'm moving it. Moving it to the relics folder where it should be. It's evil. It shouldn't be there. Boom. I'll call this like first strike relic.
Wasn't that going to be a sticker?
What?
The first strike or whatever.
Oh, do we want it to be a sticker?
That's what I was. I'm pretty sure that's what's in the file says.
Oh, okay.
The
Maybe.
notes. In the notes app.
We have a
Is this in radians or?
for what?
Oh no, it's not in. I thought it was like a. Don't worry about it. I got it. I'm smart. I can code.
I just the torque. Torque is creepy. I don't know.
Isn't that what I want?
I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I just what do you want it to do?
I don't know.
I'm assuming you want it to spin, but
Yeah.
torque is not what I. That's not.
Is that
torque
not what it is?
I don't
called
think so.
then?
I would just. It's called like angular
Oh,
velocity usually.
yeah, that's what it is. I guess I just set it equal to something. I guess there's no like apply angular impulse or something.
I mean, there might be, but
I
have
mean,
no
I
clue.
didn't see one. I think that's what torque was, but maybe not. Maybe
Yeah.
I'm stupid.
If it's fine with you, you try to note down the function I had. I mean, yeah, I mean, I can just fucking go back to the util file. You're fine with. You could like note down basically anything that's in this util file, and I don't really care. Where's the? Or sorry, it wasn't this.
Yeah,
It was
that
debug
works.
util. Debug utils is what it was. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, here's the. If you just want to see the thing, I can also make the text larger if that.
We should make Dante's 9 open source.
Probably eventually. I mean, like way later after it's done and the life cycle's over, I wouldn't be
Do
super
you
against
guys
it. But
like my collection of bells?
he's in a pile
You
of
should check
balls.
my stream.
I see your stream. He's in a pile of.
Let's see what
balls
happens if
right
I
now.
set these on fire now. Will this work?
Oh, that's probably gonna crash if I had to take a guess. Oh, what the fuck?
They're on fire
That's
now.
cool.
Nope,
Sick.
something crashed. I think it's when they died. Oh, no?
Hmm.
In the fire.
Health cut damage. Health is null.
So it
What is
must have...
target?
Target?
Yeah, what's
Where?
target?
Target here?
Target. Yeah. Is yeah, just anywhere. Like just inspect it. What's the path?
Oh, wait. I think it was trying to
It's hitting the
hit...
tree?
It was
or-
trying to hit the...
Is it hitting the bell?
It's
Or
hitting the
cat
ball. It's hitting the cat ball, yeah.
Wait, do you see the fucking huge fire in the background
What is
at the top of the mountain of bells?
What is that? Wait, I know what it is. It's because it's adding it to the cat tree itself, which that entire
Yeah.
thing is 4 times scale
That's-
because I'm stupid because the root node
that's
is the sprite,
funny as
which
fuck.
has to be scaled by 4.
That's funny. as
That's
fuck.
really funny though. So
How would I utilize the reload cache?
anyways, let's try setting the
Debug
bells on
menus?
fire not in the hub area.
Yeah, because I mean, I have this. I just have the debug menu where I can just say like, "Yo, dog, give me the thing." But
Oh, by the way, I really like you being able to use the save state to talk to
to do the bind.
Yeah.
Yeah. I ran into that while I was
Then
on
I
my
can just
laptop
be
the other
like,
day, and I was like, "Dude, I need to
No, I hit save state instead of load state.
just hit PL whenever you spawn. And you start the game, shift RPL.
No.
You don't accidentally click the
I'm
wrong
not
thing.
doing that. No.
No,
I'm
I don't
not
want to
doing
do that.
Fucking insane.
Sorry.
Yeah, I don't know though. For your specific use case, you would have to. Do nodes know that they're spawned from a scene? I don't remember if they do. They might actually.
The bells are just
Scene
so
file
satisfying
path?
now. But yep, look at that. They just have
You
Fire.
can use this. Nodes know if they are instanced from a scene, so I don't know how you would do it, but if you wanted to reload the path of a specific scene, if you have a node in there that's like listening for like an input, you could do owner, which gets the root node of the current scene that you're in. Unless it is the root node, then don't do owner. But you can do owner.scene file path, I think it said, sorry. scene
Oh,
file path. Is there-
By the way, Biddy, I think another thing about the reason that the soul crystals don't have a health component is because they can't like always be hit, because they have like the delay between getting hit, and I wanted it to not just be like I wanted to be able to get hit, but it wouldn't like take down their health, which I think is now changed. I don't think you can hit them
Maybe.
when they're not hittable,
This is.
but
I
initially
like
you could
this.
you could hit them. What happens if,
I'm a big fan. This is a good time.
what's a good time?
How
What's going on?
How do you feel about this, JW? This right here.
Oh yeah,
How do you feel about
yeah.
this?
I ran into that the other day. It's very funny.
Big fan.
I love how the zapper just zaps whatever it feels like.
Yeah, dude, it's pissed and it's gonna make it everybody's problem.
Yeah, it's very fun.
Oh,
Well, what I was
the
thinking.
attack rate changes with the level.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's been
I
like
didn't
that,
remember
for like forever. We might
Man,
want to
bro,
nerf it a
it's
little bit. It's
fucking-
very good.
Speed bagging.
What I was thinking is the bells right now, there's like an interval between when they can ring. I'm not sure if I want to make them damageable while they're in that interval, or if I just want to make it that there is no interval and they can just get hit as many times. But they have the health, so like there's a limit to how many times you can hit them. So like if you hit them with a bunch of low damage shots, it'll like ring a bunch.
I see.
But I'm not
Yeah,
100%
yeah.
sure how.
I don't know either. Also, sorry, where was the? You said there was a something somewhere. Oh, first strike is a sticker. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably fine. Yeah, that's fine. I'm so happy that it gets to the point where I just don't like make the content for the game anymore. I just like I make shit that works.
And then
And
I
it's
make stupid
pretty
bells
easy to
that
work.
you can set on fire.
Yeah, and I'm like, okay, I made something that's kind of cool. What's going on down there? Did you spawn one in the wall in the bottom right?
Oh yeah. No, I was jumping on them, and if you jump on
Dude.
them just right, they'll like phase into the wall.
If you leave that motherfucker there for 12 hours, it's gonna fucking clip through the wall and get the star and 0A presses.
I get this reference.
This is Mario 64
yeah,
reference.
I know, it's
JW
a
doesn't
Mario
get it.
64 reference, I know.
Really? What star was it then?
I don't know.
There's like a fuck ton of answers. Can you name any stars from Super Mario 64?
I know there's one in the pyramid thing in the desert thing.
There's actually like more than one in there.
Oh, is there? I know there's one like at the very top. Right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. See, I knew
Yeah,
one.
what's
I
it
knew
called?
one.
No, I said, can you name it?
Oh, they have names?
They have names, he asks. Bewildered. Yes, they have names. I believe that one is called Shining Atop the Pyramid.
Alright, bro.
Is that correct? Shining Atop. Yeah. Shining Atop the Pyramid. Yes, sir. And the one that I was making reference for was a watch for rolling rocks. Which
Should I
was
play Super
this-
Mario 64?
probably. It's really good.
I really like these bells.
He really likes these balls.
Should I make it that like if they hit something at a fast enough speed, they'll ring as well?
Maybe. Can you change their mass? Does the mass change do anything? I actually don't know how physics in 2D and Godot works.
No, it doesn't do anything. They always have the same exact mass, and like they just put that in there just to troll you.
Can you set the mass to like a gajillion and then reload the scene and spawn a bunch and see what happens? Cool.
Doesn't make it does make a difference. It does make a difference.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just not a massive one.
A massive one?
Yeah, it's more their
Massive.
interaction with other physics
Yeah.
objects. Because like if you think about it, when you're hitting it, you're always just hitting it at a constant speed. It doesn't care like what your mass is, but it's more like when they interact with each other. As you can see, they don't bounce up and down like as much. surprisingly well like this. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
because they're fucking circle colliders, dude. Kiddo physics are not like shit. They're not shit ass.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, that's because it was spawned outside of a place.
No,
it
it
shouldn't
wasn't.
be.
I stomped
It
it
was
into the
moved to a
ground.
place it shouldn't have been at.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's more the character body smashing into a rigid body that caused that.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna check something really quickly. I'm curious. Do we have any? What's a good rigid body that I can spawn in currently?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm bowling ball. Bowling ball is a rigid body.
Bowling ball. Can I spawn bowling ball? Did this get programmed in a way that doesn't? Oh shit.
Maybe not. I don't know. I'm having way too much fun here. I'm sorry.
Nah, it's fine. Mostly.
I think the explosion sound might be my favorite sound that I've made. It's very crunchy. It's got like just enough texture to it to not be like bland, but
Oh,
it's
is the
not like
bowling ball
annoying.
not a gib?
Hmm?
Oh, the bowling ball isn't a gib. I see.
No, it's not.
That makes sense. Yeah, so what's a good gib
Yeah.
for me to spawn?
Oh, a good gib for you to spawn? I don't know if there are any because it like generates them from resources.
If I just, oh, if I'm spawning gibs, that doesn't do anything. Gib tile? Nope. That
No,
crashed.
that's the thing where we still need to
Yeah,
add that
no.
where there's like breakable objects in the level,
Yeah.
which I actually would like to get soon because I want
Just
some
need
of
to
those.
all this
That'd be
stuff.
fun.
Yeah, no, it's really bizarre. It honestly does freak me out a little bit sometimes, where I will like, I will get asked a question, and like something in my mind is like, you know the exact answer, and then I do. And it's like, I do know the exact answer. I don't know how I know the exact answer, but I totally do. What the fuck?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck is going on here? They're like kind of going up the stairs. Weird. Do I have a visual on this that I can see?
Pull up seeing things.
Dude, this thing is weird. I have no fucking clue what this is attempting to do. I changed it to be a rigid body instead of a character body because I was curious if it would do anything cool. The answer is kind of. But like not really. I don't know why it's like spinning like that. Oh, it's because the fucking the shape is off center. Oy.
Okay.
Why is it up here? What? Ah, there we go. I don't like the way it settled down into place. That was weird.
Wait, why are these like not applying impulses anymore?
Because they would go into freezing mode, probably.
Why is this one just like floating?
Hit it with another bell. Spawn a bell on it. Or yeah, bump into it.
Oh, there we go. I think it was just like frozen or something. Oh, I think it might have
Yeah.
been because I blew up the other
Or
one.
sleeping.
Yeah, I blew up the other one, which, or I killed the other one, which didn't update it. It's because it didn't see that the other one got deleted, so it was just like, oh, I'm still sleeping because there's another one underneath me. But I can fix that by, So wait, if they're sleeping, and I hit them, do they unsleep? Kind of.
Kinda. It's not like a kinda. If it moves, the answer is yeah.
I should just make the... I was changing the impulse based on the damage, but I don't think I want to do that because, like, really low damage barely moves it at all, then really high damage makes it go flying. So, let's just do times, like, 500. That seems like a great number.
500 cigarettes.
That is not a great number, apparently. Times 1,000. Well, it could also be because they're really heavy now that I think about it. Why are these just like not moving at all now? I'm guessing it is because they're really heavy. Because it takes like more force to move them. Yeah, that's why.
Sorry, I'm playing around with physics as well. Because looking at you
It's
just
okay,
like
I'm
push
having
those
fun.
around without.
Why are they like not moving at all? I'm very confused.
Hmm.
They were like moving a bunch of... Let me get my gun. Yeah, why is it like not moving them barely?
Multiply the amount by like a fuck ton.
It's now 10,000. I feel like that's way lower than it should be.
What'd you set the
Oh, wait a second, they're still really heavy.
Yeah, you set the
I
mass
need
to
to
like
reload
1,000.
the,
didn't you?
You know, but I turned the mass down, but then I realized I didn't reload the scene. Does that reload the ones that are currently in the level or not? Yeah, there we go.
shouldn't,
What's this?
Huh.
That's more like it.
Yeah, no, that seems about right.
Yeah. We just like teleport now. So I guess that's like one of the main things that affects mass. Okay, let's try like 1,000. That's probably better.
How much do I understand save managers? I mean, enough, I guess. Like, enough to get it done, mostly.
There we go. I really don't care if like the physics are accurate or realistic. I just want it to like be fun and bouncy, you know. I don't know why it's not hitting the bell in the front there. Wait, can this... Oh, can't this attack only hit like one thing at once? Yeah, and it's bugging out a little bit. That's okay. Not really bugging, just like doing it wrong, you know? So now that's a consistent amount. What if we get like a SMG? Spawn a bunch of these.
Is there a reason I didn't just make this an area to be weird? Actually, I don't know why I'm doing that. I could just like...
Make them bouncy. Sea Shanty 2, my beloved. I love RuneScape. RuneScape is my favorite game of all time. I should start LARPing RuneScape.
Like, what's the difference between apply impulse and apply force?
Apply Impulse is a one-time thing. Apply Force is like if you want to do it over time. So like Apply Impulse is like hitting something. Apply Force is like pushing something.
Okay. Let's see.
Probably 20 times something like a little bit, maybe like 750.
Sorry. Sorry. I'm yawning as fuck.
It's really satisfying to launch the bells in the air and then shoot them.
Well, this isn't satisfying at all. What the fuck?
Hmm? Are you trying to make fun satisfying physics and failing? Because
Little bit,
you
yeah.
ain't as cool as me.
Well, that's a lot of
Top
holy.
10
Look at
times
this.
the artist was better at programming than the programmer.
Yo, look at this dude.
What the heck is going on there?
What do you mean? He's like, oh, you're not as cool as me, and then I do this shit, dude.
Make it a
excuse
mini
me,
game?
I'm a
I'm
a body bender.
I was literally
I've
just
been-
thinking about that. What if there's like a
Yes.
mini game where like it launches bells over like your head and you have to like shoot them out of the air?
Oh shit!
Like a special room.
The fucking aim trainer room in the hub.
Yeah. So when are you making the cool shader, by the way, for the bells?
What cool shader for what?
The like for the ring, you know, go like ding, it does like a
The
little
ring, like the
shockwave
one ring. What are
thing.
you talking
The
about?
one ring.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Do you want me to make it now?
I mean, sure, if you want to. I mean, I think it would be fun to do.
Okay. Sure. So here, we'll do this.
I don't really know.
You want to be a
this-
sprite?
Huh?
You want it to be a sprite? What do you want it to be? How do you want it to work? Like, let's say, how would you do it? You would spawn in a sprite and then just like scale it, or what would you do?
Probably that. I'm thinking because I want it to be able to scale definitely because if it's like on a card, it would scale the bells and then scale the. If you had like Jupiter, it would scale the bells and scale the area around it, which would scale the
do you want-
shockwave.
what all do you want it to affect?
What all do you want it to affect? What do you mean?
I'm asking you, like, so you want it to do like a distortion thing, right?
Yes.
What do you want it to affect? Like,
Like,
let's say
probably
let's say
everything.
let's say right here, you hit the bell, it distorts this spot. Like, what does it distort the player?
It would be like a ring that would. I guess maybe not the play. I'm trying to. The thing is I can vaguely think of what I want, like the shockwave to be, but I don't really know physically how it works.
That's okay. I
Yeah.
wanted you to at least think about it.
Because like I don't even
Then you
know
can
how
think
you would
about
make a
that as, like,
shader, how that a
it's
shader
just-
like that works. All I know is I want a
Um,
shockwave. So, my apologies for having no clue how that works.
That's okay. It's chill. It's like
Or I could just go to godotshaders.com and
mostly.
be like shockwave shader, and they'd be like, yeah, here you go. Well, I should probably make the shockwave like actually do something first. So this will obviously have an area 2D on it, which will still be ring area. And that will have a collision shape. For right now, I think I might I'll probably just make it like set things on fire, and then we can change that out for like stun later. And that way I can figure out how like the status effects work.
Yeah.
I'll make this one 28 maybe. No, maybe like 256. That seems like a great number. Nope, I'm still on Velitic Vision. Who wants to see that? You. Yucky. Sorry. That was kind of mean.
your parents really have never asked you. That's crazy.
Meow, 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 meow.
You see what I mean, right? Like everybody else sees what I mean, right?
meowing. Wait, no, that's not what I want.
Make a dough.
Why
Why
do I
is
have
it
that
I'm
spawns explosions? I'm trying to remember. Oh yes, the remote detonator. Is that what the... No, it's definitely not what it's called. It's probably called explosive enemies. How did I guess? What is this trigger function on the explosive relic?
It just makes it so that the relic in the UI does a little flicker.
Oh, yeah. I don't... I haven't been using that, like, anywhere.
It's like mostly fine.
Yeah.
Don't know. I mean,
It doesn't
it's
do
just
anything
like
functionally,
it's a little
but,
feedback
like,
thing.
that would be... I just didn't realize that, and I can add that to some of the other ones.
Yeah, they're like thankfully very easy to add.
Yeah. Yeah, you just put it in there wherever it triggers, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can I specify a vec2i? I don't think I can. Oh no, I can. It's called an ivec2. Yerb. Weird. Are you gonna bitch and complain about something? Fucking are, you bastard. I knew it.
I guess I should make the area just like a hitbox and like it can turn it on and off. Does that make the most sense?
Probably.
Hurt box. Sorry, I always forget which one's which every time.
Man, shaders are cool. How do I do the... I snapped something to world position. I always forget this one. I need a varying. I need to grab this from the vertex function. And I need to say render mode world vertex chords. And to snap this to pixel size, I do what? Let's So to do this, I would do. Let's see. So these guys know what their current position is. So we're do something like world pause minus trunk world pause. That's the diff. I'm just gonna type this in GD script, but I just like close my eyes and think for a sec. That diff, I think I could use texture pixel size, which would give me the offset of how much this needs to snap. Is that right?
Yeah.
That feels wrong, but maybe it's right actually. I might just be able to do like this. And then let me just do like color dot RGB equal diff. Just a second. What? Am I like... Am I stupid or something? Or what's going on? That's weird. World pause. Actually, it might make more sense if I do a multiply by 4 truncate itself and then divide by 4 because of our weird ass pixels and shit. Oh wait, okay, this... Wait, no, something's weird here. Something's really weird. Color... Oh, it's because of the fucking, the default color uses this, I set up a gradient texture. I think the fucking green channel, or the blue channel isn't being reset. Yeah, there it is. Does this make more sense? Not really, still. What? 0, 0, 0, 1.
How do I apply a fire effect to something? Or like an effect to
What do you want it to do? Like, do you want it to...
I want it to give it...
tick once, multiple times? Do you want it to be like an area?
I want it to... So basically what I'm doing is when it rings, it'll do the effect and hit things with the hitbox, and then I want to also apply fire to those.
So you can... apply... create a new fire effect. You can just look at firearea.gd or your the spicy noodles that you added as well. We'll also do that.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so fire effect, source, target, amount.
What is happening? I'm trying to figure out how I can make this map to the difference in the world position. I assumed that the green channel would be filled up, but it looks like it isn't, which is really weird. Unless, because it's fucking above the, it's above the y-axis. I see the problem. There we go. I think it would make a difference if I did abs here instead, because this would make it work on both sides. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I see what's going on. I see what's happening. I understand my issue.
What's
Yes,
the
now there's a
amount?
crosshatch.
Is that like
What's up?
stacks?
The amount in the case of the fire currently is time, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Like it's time, like the amount of time that it has been applied. So, for an enemy, it's weird.
Also, now that I'm thinking
Will this
about
apply to players or enemy?
no,
Or...
I mean, in this case, it probably will end up doing that because, it's fire.
Just enemy.
But I want it to be just enemies. So we probably should have a way
Okay.
to see if it's an enemy or not.
Maybe, but also,
Yeah. Because like
I
right
would like
now,
to-
this would apply to the player as well.
let me write this down really quickly. It wouldn't. I'm assuming because you probably have the mask set so that it wouldn't. But
Oh yeah, you're right.
let me write this
I didn't think
down.
about that.
Because I actually need to change something about the effects, which is the fire effect amount. Make fire effect amount make sense. You're saying it, and I have to sit here and say to you what it means currently. And I've been meaning to change it, but I haven't. I don't want it to just be the amount of time that you're standing in it. I want it to be a
Yeah, because I
more
still don't
meaningful
quite
amount.
get it, but yeah.
Yeah, it's amount is just like a generic how much of this is being applied. And since the only thing that was applying it was just like the area of fire, it was just putting delta in every tick.
Yeah.
And so I was just dividing it by the amount of time it takes. So effectively it just becomes like how much time how much of time is passing when this application happens, which doesn't make sense. It should be like 0 to 1 or like keep going after
That's
that.
a lot of
and that's
errors.
just the amount of stacks. But oh,
Oh.
I'll
Because
be back really quickly. I need
put the...
I need to use the bathroom really quick.
There we go. That should be better now. Not working as intended though. Oh, is this not set properly? No, that's set properly. Hmm. Hello, Duo Gamers B. Why is my thing not working? Oh wait, I think I know why it's not working. Hold on. That's why. I got it. Don't worry.
Okay. Sorry, I'm back.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even put on fucking JW Vision. Oopsie.
Oopsies. Yeah,
Oh no, it was
working.
somewhat similar to that. Duo Gamers. It was more of I wrote something and it works and it makes sense to me, but it doesn't make sense in terms of like something hit the bell again. I think, or the cat ball.
No, I don't know what happened.
No?
Because these suddenly all got set on fire when they hadn't
Oh.
been for like none of them were setting anything on fire. Then suddenly they all got set on fire. Then it died.
It's kind of funny.
Um,
It probably reached like I don't know.
I'm
But it was like
certain thing.
I was explaining to JW how to use the feature that I made, which is like this isn't intuitive and it should be written in a way that is easier to interface with. Also, does this scale? If I scale this, does this? Oh, beautiful. This actually does care about this. I wonder, actually, vertex dot. I guess it's already a vector, right? Oh, that's so sad. Here, let me. Hold up. I'm gonna pour some food for Callie. Sorry about that. I wonder if I could just like, could I just snap the vertex to the world position? Oh, that looks. Oh, because I'm still scaling it. I was like, something fucked up, which might still be the case, but hopefully not.
The bells also now explode when you kill them.
That's fire. Wait, what? Why not? Oh no, it would be the other way around, right? I would divide it by 4, truncate it, and then multiply it by 4 so that it would snap to the nearest. Yeah. Is there a round function? There is. Thank God. Because I think that would make way more sense. Oh, beautiful. Kinda. Okay, that makes that way easier, actually. Because then I could just do... What? Texture pixel size would instead be back to pixel size. This times 4, it might be. No, this isn't right, I don't think. Oh, wait. Screen UV divided by pixel size would give me large number. I think that would make sense. Screen UV.
Yeah, something's breaking in here. When the bells trigger each other.
Yeah, so... Oh, what's the... Where are you at? Where's your code stop right now? Enemy fire handler.
Yeah.
Is target set? Target is set.
Yeah.
What is target?
It is the bell.
Hover path.
Hmm?
If you hover
Yeah,
that,
it's
it'll
the
tell
bell.
you.
Bell 4 hitbox component.
And target is set. If you click on... Oh no, you already clicked on target.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Oh, I see what's happening. I think, hold on, let me actually...
I don't see what's happening.
Can you show me the code where you're applying the fire?
Yeah, I think it was right here.
Yeah, so you're using the target as the hitbox, but the target is the dot target off of that. It's like the owner of the hitbox.
What?
So you are applying the fire effect to the hitbox of the bell,
Oh, okay.
not the bell.
So do I do dot owner?
Dot target is something that should be off of all
Target
hitbox.
dot target?
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't call it target, like, in the first place. I probably would have called it, like, area, like, in the function parameters.
Well, that's when the on ring on hit is, I mean, the signal that I'm connecting it to, the thing is
Is the
target.
hit off the
It's called
hitbox
target.
component? I see. Oh, well then, yeah, you could just, like... call that like
Yes, sir.
hitbox or something instead of target, but yeah. I don't know.
No.
Okay.
That's what
My
you put
fault.
it in as, so that's what I'm calling it.
Okay.
Oh, that does very funny things.
Oh, it like bounces it around.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Why does it like only do it sometimes? I'm so confused. Like the first hit, it looks like the second hit is the only time it does it. Because they keep triggering each other, so I probably don't want to have them trigger each other, which I don't know the best way to do that. They at least don't trigger themselves, which is nice.
Hmm. Something somewhere is going wrong. Methinks.
It's very funny. Actually, is it triggering itself? Oh, it is triggering itself. That's very cool. I'm so confused why it sometimes it. Oh, we have 50 bugs. Wait, that is from, I think, from spawning the explosions, maybe? Yeah.
I mean, this would probably be fine, right?
That should fix that.
What are the chances I can just do like a divide by 2 in this? No? Okay, fine. So crazy to me you haven't played Outer Wilds.
I'm trying to think. So I want to make this so that it doesn't trigger itself. Do you think I should just... Should I check to see if it's an enemy, or should I check to see if it's, not a bell? Because I'm thinking we will have to figure that out for some status effects, because, like, fire is fine if it applies to, like, anything, but something like stun, you can't stun a bell, so it's like... What?
Sorry, I don't know, it's so funny. Can't stun a bell. I don't know, man, you totally could. I don't know what it would do, but you could. What if for the stun status effect, we just set the process mode to pause for a set of time, and then we just set it back afterwards?
Yeah.
And then we attach the sound of the bell to the bell itself, so that whenever it gets stunned, it just pauses processing.
True.
And then it goes back to playing it afterwards. Sorry, what are you asking about?
I don't want it to hit the bell to hit itself. So should I just check
You don't
for
want the bell to hit itself.
like when you hit it, it sets everything on fire, which will then set itself on fire.
Okay. Does it want to set other bells on fire?
Maybe? Probably not, but maybe. Because I would check
I mean,
if it's
you
just
can just-
enemies, but then there's the worm, which isn't technically an enemy, and there's the boss, which also isn't technically an enemy.
Mm-hmm. So what you can do, if you, I'll answer your question. If you want the bell to not trigger itself, you can check if the target of the hitbox is itself, and if it is, then you just return out of that function.
Yeah.
if you wanted to check if it's specifically an enemy, you should be able to do if the target of the
There's this
hitbox is
as
enemy base or belongs to the enemy group if you want.
Oh, true. There's the enemy group. Yeah. But yeah, I was just
That
thinking
should at
in
least stop it from
general,
targeting- or from
we
hitting
should.
itself.
Okay, yeah, that does work. Nope. No, I
They're
think it's
triggering each
the,
other. Someone hit the fucking ball.
yeah. So they are
That
still
fucking
triggered.
ball.
Oh, because they trigger each other because they get set on fire, then they each trigger each other. So we probably don't want that.
Yeah.
Thinking. But yeah, this is just something in general that we might want to think about for status effects is like maybe have categories of things. So we could have like everything, we could have like enemies, we could have everything but the player. I don't know. I don't know how we want to handle that. That's up to you. I can just say, I can make this a class and just say if it's a bell.
Fuck, what is this gonna be? I actually don't know. Color.rg equals pixel offsets. Fuck it. Oh. What? Oh, I'm stupid. Can I do a vec? Can I do a vectory 0, comma 1? Dude, shading language is so fucking cool.
Oh, did you
Like, what do you mean I
ever
can just-
finish the player animation stuff that you're working
No.
on? Yeah, okay.
Nope.
Distractionlytic.
Is there? Because you're like, can you make a fucking, make a distortion shader? Make me a distortion shader.
Oh
I'm
yeah,
like,
right,
okay,
forgot
I
about
guess.
that
So this value is very low.
Oh, very cool that they now will trigger each other.
They now all trigger each other, or they don't?
Well, I didn't think about it, but having, even if the damage triggers each other, it'll, or I guess it doesn't. It kind of does. I'm very confused. It like only sometimes. Maybe something's weird with the frame rate. See, like I hit it there, nothing happened. I hit it there, nothing happened. And then I hit it there, and all of them got hit at once.
Does it only trigger after a certain amount of damage is done to it, or is
Oh
it
wait,
just every
this
single
is
time it
probably
gets
why.
hit?
What the heck is going on here? This looks like audio stuff. It's saying like OG.
Bug, like that Vorbis shit.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't know what the heck it's saying. But I'm doing it through an animation player, which might not be the best way to do it. I'm not gonna lie. If we make that, I mean, that's what I've done for a lot of the attacks before, but
What am I doing, dude? Let me hit the matrices real quick. Anyone got the fucking that matrix back?
yeah, I'm very confused. Oh, I think it's the weird issue where for some reason it only triggers it on the second time you hit it. And I'm not sure why. So on hit, it rings. When it rings, it plays the animation. So maybe it's the issue with the reset that when it spawns in, no? It's not monitoring when it spawns in. This isn't monitoring. Oh wait, that might
This
be
is
the
a
issue.
It's fucking bilinear filtering it. Oh my god. Hey, dude, that's cool. Well, evil and pissed off.
I don't know why it's not. Why it's the second time.
Oh, actually, fuck, I forgot what I was gonna do with this, which was, I wanted to remap this, which means that I need to do minus effect 2.5, I think.
There we go. Okay, now it works, I think. Yeah. Yeah. It works, but like... Oh! Did you see that?
No,
Probably
what
weren't
happened?
watching. I hit one, it went flying through the wall over here, but it was spinning, and it just kept spinning and spinning, and then it just slowly moved back here, then popped back out. It was very funny.
I don't know, man, that's kind of fire.
Okay, so yeah, right now, maybe... I'm trying to think.
My condolences.
Would it be... Would it be bad to animate the hurt box?
What?
Because I'm thinking we could have the hurt box like go out with the shockwave, so like it hits things as the shockwave pattern goes out. Because the main thing
probably.
okay,
I think we would
there's
want
no
that.
issue with doing that. Okay, I just want to make sure that wasn't.
No, there shouldn't be.
Yeah, because right now, like, I think it would be fine if they hit each other, because there's obviously not going to be like 10 billion of them in a level at once.
Yeah, it should definitely like trigger, like either after a delay or like it should definitely have.
Yeah, but like if you look when I do this, it
the
just,
wave
like they
out.
all explode at once.
I like the one that just went off the fucking space and just came back. Like most of them died, but like one of them just got fucking launched. He just made a TNT cannon from Minecraft and put it in Dante's 9. Why in the world is this wrong?
Oop, I broke it.
Nice.
I'm also very happy that I made the thing that makes it so sounds only play once if they're playing at the same time, or else I would be deaf right now.
I'm sad that you made that because you should be deaf right now.
Okay.
0 and 1. 0 and 1. I don't understand. That's cool, dude.
My bad, gang.
Yeah, it is.
How's the shockwave going?
I'm trying to make things make sense, but currently they're not in my brain for some
Okay.
reason. I don't really know why. 0.25 is what. Whatever. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you what it looks like. If I make rid of this really quickly.
It's almost magic time, by the way.
Oh, right. This fucker
I don't
loves
know. I'm just
magic.
saying that.
So let me do this. It's gonna be a little difficult to see because it's a shockwave and shit, but like you can see that like there's the distortion and shit going on, right?
Oh wait, yeah, that's kind of sick.
Yeah. And it's also like it can be moved around and rotated.
Boy,
And
that's
scaled.
kinda
Yeah, I wanted to make it the only thing that I wanted is I wanted to pixel snap to the world, which it's not currently doing, but it's attempting to. You can see it's a little weird.
Yeah. Also, the other thing is, maybe I don't know if this is a big deal or if we should or not. Is make it so the size of the ring doesn't change, just like the radius does. So like when you scale it up, the ring gets larger, like thicker. I'm not sure which would look better.
Like if the ring stayed at consistent thickness
what?
or not.
Can you make it make a little bit more sense? What are you saying? Sorry.
So the ring of the shockwave,
yeah,
it has like it's thin in the texture, but when you scale it up, the thickness of the ring itself gets thicker because bigger
Yes.
scale equals thicker ring. I don't know if
So
it would
you-
look better if the ring
Or if the ring was at consistent thickness and just the radius changed.
Oh, sorry, I see something over in chat. Give me a second. I'll read it in a second. But distortion ring. So sorry, you want the, like, let's say I were to scale this up like this,
So see how the ring's
rather
like
than it
really
becoming
thick
this
now?
really
Yeah.
large thing. You want it to be like
The
still
same.
just, like tight,
Yeah.
still the same tight ring.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I can look into that. I'll keep ring thickness the same as it's larger. Yeah. I can probably do that. I would probably just not use a distortion map for that. I'd probably. Oh, you know what? I guess I could try that now in a second, but let me.
We could also just try like this, and then if
Hello.
it looks bad, we can try the other one. But
Just recently discovered you the start of your Godot adventure. Love my recent Godot tutorials.
Recent.
I know you
that's
mean
'cause he
recent
hasn't
as in like
uploaded in like 12 years.
the most recently posted, but recent is a very funny word to see describing my videos. I'm very happy that they help you, but that's that's very funny. Recent. Wilted rose emoji. Let me uniform floats. Just like distortion radius, we'll say. Would be like, I don't even know. Oh wait, no, I I see. Distortion. I'll just call it range for now. I don't think I have a better word for it. And then the distortion thickness, we'll say, is like 10, sure. And then what I can do is get the center UV. So we'll say back to center. Oh, that's why it wasn't working, because I was using screen UV and doing some weird shit. Okay, I understand why that wasn't working. So to get the center of the current thing, what I want to do is, oh Lord. I want to say UV minus vec2, or like dist from center, which would say, let's say we were at 0, 0, this would say minus 0.5. It'd be the other way around. I would want the current UV to point towards the center. And then I would want to do dist from center times texture pixel size, which should give us the actual amount of pixels from the center. And then we can say smooth step dist from center, except we would use distortion. I call it range, but that's kind of terrible, isn't it? is this? Oh, sorry, thickness, not size. Distortion. Thickness, which would give me what? This would give me the 0.5. Or it would be between 0 and 1, which is the distortion amount. And like, I guess I could just do that. Maybe let's try that. So rather than this. Oh, this should be divided by again. Or I guess it wouldn't even be divided by, would it? No, it definitely would be. This from center. This would be divided by. Ignore that. This would be multiplied back. Oh, something's happening for sure. It's not what I want, but it is happening.
Very cool.
Oh, because I need to use absolute on this, right? So it's a circle. Okay. Yeah, for sure, dude. Screen UV plus pixel offset. What if I were to... Ah, I see. That's not what I want. Oh. Oh, this is kind of cool. Oh, I am using the wrong variable here. Shading, language, reference, in Godot. Give me a second. Canvas item shaders. There should be a built-in screen matrix, but I think I should have like screen pixel size. Thank you. So this will turn it into the amount of pixels from the center of the texture. I can then use that to get the number of... What is this? This is whether or not it matches the threshold. If it's below, it's 0. So that means distort by 0 pixels. If it's 1, it means distort by more than 1 pixels. So I think I would just multiply by screen pixel size, hopefully. And do that. I have no clue what I'm looking at. Allegedly, there's something on screen happening.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, I'm doing something somewhere on the screen. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. Oh, shit, that looks weird. Oh. Okay, I understand what I'm doing wrong.
Oh?
Or I don't understand a thing I'm doing wrong. Pixel offset minus equals 0.5, so this will be centered around 0 now, and then I can do ×2, which will make it take up the entire space, and then I can do absolute of this. Okay, that's not what I expected. Okay, I distance this from center. Load text. Is it length? It's length. Okay, and then this is going to be 1 minus, because I only want it to affect what's in the circle here. And then I can use screen pixel size to do something. And I can have use sample from the screen texture and say this is now our output color. And then hopefully I've still fucked something up somewhere, which is pretty cool. What the fuck?
Hello.
What the fuck?
I don't know which. I assume you're talking to me, given that you're in my chat, but you could be talking to
Yeah,
Bitlytic
probably.
too, since he's like the
Whoa,
big
this
famous
looks
one.
weird.
Nobody
This
knows
looks
who
really
I am.
weird.
What does? How's it going? It is going good. Do I know you from someplace, or
Damn, bro.
I'm just
he
wondering
said,
where you're
"Who
coming
are
from?
you?"
Because you said you're looking for.
He said,
for
damn,
my
bro,
Twitch.
who's this?
Who is this?
Who is this?
I'm talking to the cat from here. Okay, on Twitch. Oh, let me look at your. Let me see. I'm sorry. I don't remember
Damn, bro.
anything ever.
He
so
Who are you? That's so weird.
I have terrible memory.
He's calling you weird.
Finders Switch
He's
Rally,
like,
I
you're a
lost it for a
nobody.
while,
What are
okay.
you?
You know, there's
He only
anything
remembers
called like
people
a
if they're
follow
important
button.
is what he's saying, and he's saying that you're not important. That's like
Let me
fucked
pull
up.
this Give me just a sec. Yeah. I also like didn't recognize
Yeah.
because it said the first time chat, so I was like, I don't know why it said that when it's not your first time chat. Yeah, it's falling since July 8th. Okay,
Am I like?
that is very weird. I was just
Am I
confused because it said first time chat. Maybe it like resets if you don't message for a while. But yeah, anyways, sure, I'll play the game some. You can see how it's going. That way I don't fall asleep watching TikTok. I would never do that on stream.
People.
I would never like watch
Yeah,
TikTok
no,
and
you
fall
wouldn't
asleep
do
on
that.
stream. Definitely not.
I don't think that's like kind of a terrible way for me to look at this.
Nice, 2 jokers. Wait, what? Wait, no, okay. Something just looked weird on the art for a second there. I might be kind of goated at my own game. Oh yeah, we have a train now. It's pretty cool.
What am I doing? How do I need to like debug this and I don't know how to. That's so stupid. And
Game looks good, thank you. I sometimes agree.
Or is it the other way around? Do I like multiply this by 10, trunk it, and then divide by 10? Apparently not.
But yeah, this guy set stuff on fire now. Also, are we planning to fix the thing where every fire says attack did not have source?
Probably.
Okay.
I don't know. Do you want to fix it?
Oh, that was weird. That one like didn't place a fire when he blew up because he was like, I think he was in between two tiles. It shouldn't be like possible though.
It's on a perfect floating point.
Yeah.
Precise like.
Let me
thing.
test that real quick. Got all the loot. Fire area. So if we do this like right on the edge here now.
What am I doing? Why am I doing this? What is this doing? Chat, I might be like...
Yeah, so it looks
stupid.
like if you are on literally the exact pixel in between two tiles, it doesn't spawn fire. Like I'm pressing the spawn button right now. If I move it to the
you know
left,
what it probably is?
it adds fire. If I move it to the right,
I can
if I
tell
move
you
it to the
probably
right,
what's happening.
it spawns fire.
Oh, wait, what? Never mind, I don't know what the fuck's happening. I thought it was that you were too far off the ground.
Oop. No.
Weird.
No,
Oh,
I
yeah,
accidentally
choose
set
that platform. Yeah,
Rip.
Good
I broke it. I
platform.
broke it because this guy didn't fix his bug.
this is true.
But that is very strange. I don't know why that isn't doing that. Let me see. So the vertical floor check is, yeah, that's like 2 tiles. Something.
Okay, so this is for the texture. Point size for point drawing?
Wait,
What in the
let's get
fucking
ground
world
point.
does that mean?
Let's get ground point. Will util get ground point? Okay, whatever. I'll let you figure that out. I don't know how this works. Back to scrolling TikTok. I'm just kidding.
Write it down
Just
somewhere.
kidding. Write it down. Okay.
Yeah.
Fire area spawn doesn't show up when spawned between 2 tiles. It's very strange. Had the belt in progress, so it looks like I actually did something today.
Fuck, what is the matrix?
How is the shaders going?
It's going, give me a second. Fuck, I don't remember how these work. I might put this on hold for now because I wanted to do some shit to make the thing not change size whenever it scales up. I need to figure out how to get a scale from a matrix, and maybe I can just look that up. But
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
I mean, it's like 10 o'clock, so I'm getting tired as well. So
yeah. Why the fuck is...
Hmm?
Sorry, I just I wanted to see if I could find the scale for something inside of inside of a shader, and the first post is a thing on Facebook. I don't know why.
Yes, I will look for Godot tutorials on Facebook.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I don't know. I can't think of something right now, but
That's okay.
I should totally do a showcase of my art someday. What fucking art are you talking about? What art? From me? Don't do that shit.
This is true.
I don't art. I try not to.
Well, then you should draw.
I don't want to do that. I'd rather make shader stuff. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it here because I'm getting really, really, really tired. So-
He's saying that instead of saying he wants to play Magic.
No, I'm actually like unbelievably tired, but I probably will end up playing Magic anyways.
Good.
But it's more so that I don't have the energy to sit here and program and talk and everything. So
Anyways.
I will catch you guys later. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. We will be streaming again on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. EST. It's crazy. It's already Thursday. It feels wrong. But I will catch you guys later.